snowstorm. Year 2022, our first snowstorm. It's just started, so I just wanna take a quick video in the beginning of the snowstorm. Okay, the sun's not out and it's already 9 o'clock. Happy New Year 2022 and our first day of snowstorm. Oh, it just started. Here's the car now. And no sun out. 9 a.m. na. No sun out. Wow, gaano kakapal kaya to abutin? Later on, we'll check. Snowstorm 2022. First one, I'm just showing you the only Filipino parol I have from Papa, which I treasure. So first snowstorm of the year. Let's see how much it's gonna be. Ayan na yung mga shrub natin. Gaano kalalim to? We'll see. Happy New Year, January 3. Oh, we have no power now. Oh my God. Daddy, nababasa na yung pit natin. Okay, wait. No electricity yet. What you hear are generators. Some houses have generators because they had to request, especially those with health issue. Look at the houses or the cars. Look how covered. Look at our storm door, covered in ice too. Oh my goodness. Look at our car. Look at the trees. Top of the trees. Grabe. Oh, and it hasn't stopped yet. Oh. Look at our front. Look. See? Look how much snow. Okay, shovel time. This is our basura container. Ilang inches did you already sukat?
8 inches.
8?
More better. Yeah, mukhang more than 8 yun eh.
More than 8 inches. Yeah, magbubungkal na. Okay, shovel time. Those two kids before. Bata pa ngayon, nalalaki na. Okay, clean up. Bata. Neighbor. Hello, Boris. Our Boris tree. Boris tree. Clean up. My husband measured how much snow we got. It's 8 inches or more. It could be more. Day 2, no power still. We decided to go to my son's place to spend overnight. Outside our area, there's a lot of utility trucks, and I-95 is southbound. There's no incoming cars allowed. They have to put a stop because in the news, more than a day already, people were stuck inside their cars. People have no food, drinks, or gas anymore to warm up. Kawawa sila. Had to come here because we don't have power, so we're here in the condo.